Hi, today in front of me LG Q70 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's just first open once again our Muviz application. Here let's just select one from these available tabs. Just tap to apply this tab. If you want to change the background, just swipe with your fingers to the up or to the down. Tap to apply on the background which you like. Here we can switch the music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show notifications and calendar, date. To show the date you should use the switchers to turn them on or turn them off. Just to show the battery status always while device charging or never, just select one from these options. Click to the X icon here, switch IOD to the settings, tap to always on display, and here we can also change the settings to show on the lock screen our AD option always while device will charging or when we play the music. Also we can use these two options separately, so I'll just stay with it always. If you want to change screen timeout from 1 minute to never, you should just also hold and slide to the left or to the right side this panel. We can also decrease or increase the brightness level to close it with the double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with the fingerprint if you use fingerprint and lock method on screen off, to set the schedule, so the start and the end time of the AD option, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our LG device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.